What's up, guys? I'm back. Let me try to talk proper. I'm back. Today's gonna be interesting, man. I started recording this video Friday, right? And then my wife had to go to the emergency room, so yeah, I'm picking up my lift today, man. Let's hope that it fits where I want it to fit real nice. What else was I about to say about that lift? I'm in the U-Haul truck. One-time use, like 40 bucks. That ain't bad, man. For these $20, then like 60 cents a mile, something like that. Plus tax, plus $1 environmental fee. That ain't bad. I could dig it. But I wish I had my truck, man, because I got so much stuff I need to do, move, tow. I'm getting a trailer here in the next few days, though. But I still won't have a truck to tow it with, which is pretty sucky. But I definitely need my truck ASAP. I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit about insurance, man. I feel like it's like the biggest insurance and taxes, man. They are the biggest rip-offs. I see why a lot of people are like political as far as the neighborhood they stay in, because you pay so much in taxes, man, and the area let people get away with so much stuff. Like, man, ain't nobody paying all this money in taxes to be living crazy, you know what I'm saying? And then insurance, like, I'm thinking about the claims I made, which is none. Our only claim I ever make is towing. As far as accidents, nothing. Like, I feel like insurance companies should be giving me some money back. This house we got, our insurance is like $375 a month. Then the cars, since I got half of it in storage, it's only like $120 a month for all the cars, 6 in storage, and then we driving 2. But it's still on the Kansas policy, and I feel like if I transfer it to here, it's gonna be like close to double. So it's like $50 for liability, and then a couple dollars a month each for all the cars that's in storage. But if you take them out of storage, I think my bill was like $190, because they all got like different miles. So the coverage and the miles, how much I plan on driving it, that's how they calculate the charge. But man, I feel like it's a rip-off, man. Like, give me some money back. I ain't made no claim or nothing. Y'all just anyway, about to go ahead to FedEx, get this lift. FedEx freight. Took a lot to get over here. Man, FedEx making good money. You just look around, like all the trucks, trailers. Man, I promise you, like, it's over 3 acres worth of trucks and trailers over here past this building. Like, everywhere you turn your head, truck, trailer, truck, trailer, truck, trailer. And then they paying it. They make a killing. Put you back on. Man, they taking all day. Well, I'm just gonna sit right here. This guy in the truck, man, just stopped me. Where you from? Where you at? Thanks for your service. They love it down here. Thanks for your service, boy. In Kansas. Kansas, man. I don't suggest anybody go to Kansas. Move to Kansas, go to Kansas, visit Kansas. Nobody. Kansas is... I can't stand Kansas. Not one bit. Come on, man. Let me get my stuff. Alright. We locked and loaded, man, but like I said, I don't have no clue on how I'm getting this lift down. It's gonna be interesting. I have to drive slow while I think of a way. Cause yeah. It's gonna be interesting. Right, man. So it's raining, and yeah, I'm probably about to let it rain and come back out. So I ain't got no good tools. I'm using a wrench and this cheap kit I got from AutoZone a couple months ago. But trying to take these support frame pieces off And then I'll bust open the plastic, and then I'll try one by one. I got a little dolly in here somewhere. I got a little dolly in here somewhere. I'm gonna try to use that to push it in place. But this should be pretty interesting, man. This thing is kind of heavy. So I'm gonna put it on a stand in a second. If it don't slow down, if it slow down, and then keep unbolting everything you can get it in the garage. Hey, it took a little minute to unbolt the thing from the brackets, man, because the weight, 1,000+ pounds. So use a lever and pulley style system. I was able to lift them up, but now I'm battling 500 pounds now, so just gonna keep pulling it. Once I get this side to the floor, I'll drop that side. I don't know how yet though, but I'll figure it out.
500 pounds? Don't you lift that at the gym?
Nah, I'd be 4 something, but
The same thing.
nah, it ain't the same. It ain't the same. You cut it off now. I went to some places. We got one in here. Man, playing with 1,000 pounds ain't easy. I got my wife with the jack. She pulled the jack. I put it on the jack. She pulled it, and then I pulled from that lighting. But getting it down and all that, I'm glad I ain't throw these bricks out. Cause I just when I put it down, put it on the brick, and then when I let it down over here, well, as soon as I get it. I'm gonna get smart on this one. I'm taking everything out the inside because all this was in the ankle bolts in these arms, hydraulic hoses and stuff. All that was in there. When I took it out down there, man, like 50 pounds. Down here, probably like 350. It's probably 400 pounds now, maybe less than that. But it's real easy once you take all the stuff out. And I ain't think to do that. It can definitely be done with one person with the lever and pulley type stuff, bricks, poles, and all that. Pulling with the jack. Just sit the heavy end on the jack, pull on the other side. But I'm about to bust open this other one, get all this stuff out. All right, man, we are ready to install. That's gonna be the next video, installing the lift. So all you need to install is a hammer drill, which I got in storage. A torque wrench and some regular pliers and stuff for these compression fittings. And I don't know if it go on the top or the bottom because I wanted the one to go to the top, but I'll be glad if that ain't the case because I might be converting this so I can go high as I can. But we'll see. 110, had to pay a little extra for it. You know, they want to see the 220. So 110, I'll be able to literally plug it up. Right there. It can be operational. You need a mallet, torque wrench, hammer drill, yeah, and regular tools. And you'll be ready to lift. But I think that's all I got, man. Scratch it up a little bit back here, but it's a soft concrete rock, so it all come off. Probably not that, but it's all good. I'm happy. I'm satisfied for not having a forklift. 1,000 pounds move successfully.
Yeah, tell him I helped you.
And my wife
Don't
helped me.
put me in it, just tell him I helped you.
And my wife helped me.
Now tell him to buy me a Chanel bag, bro.
Should I buy her a Chanel bag?
Because I'm
Say no.
Yes, say yes because I'm always helping him, y'all. In all the videos, y'all gotta admit that I'm always helping him.
Because you my wife.
Yeah.
I help you all the time too.
Yeah, but so
Now with a Chanel bag.
I can get a gift for my hard work.
A Chanel bag is a gift.
Yeah.
That's more like a purchase. Should I get her that bag? Say no.
Say yes in the comments.
Drop no
y'all.
in the
Please,
comments.
y'all, please.
Say no to the bag.
Say yes to the bag.
Say no to the
We
bag.
can do it, y'all. If I get more yeses than no's, you have to buy it.
Y'all heard it. Let me just say it.
Please
Okay.
say yes, y'all.
Say no. Drop in the comments. I'm out.